Ever found yourself feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or stressed out? What if there was a simple, scientifically backed method to help you manage these feelings better? Stress, that unwelcome intruder in our lives, is more prevalent than ever in our fast-paced society. It sneaks into our daily routines, wreaking havoc on our peace of mind and overall well-being. But what if there was a way to keep this intruder at bay? A way to reclaim control and bring back tranquility into our lives? Introducing our topic for today, mindfulness meditation for stress relief. Before we dive into the stress-relieving benefits, let's first understand what mindfulness meditation is. Originating from Buddhist traditions, mindfulness meditation is a practice that has been embraced globally. Its essence lies in maintaining a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the surrounding environment. It's about being fully present in the now, not lost in the past or the future. You see, our minds can be erratic, jumping from thought to thought like a monkey swinging from tree to tree. Mindfulness meditation is like a gentle leash for our monkey minds. It helps us focus, bringing our attention back to the present moment whenever we notice it wandering. In its simplest form, mindfulness meditation involves sitting comfortably, focusing on your breath, and when your attention wanders, returning it to the breath. It's not about clearing the mind or achieving a state of eternal calm, but rather recognizing what's happening right now in this very moment without judgment. As we practice mindfulness meditation, we start to notice patterns in our thoughts and feelings. We become more aware of our mental habits. This heightened state of awareness allows us to better understand ourselves, to observe our thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. But how does this help with stress? Well, when we're not lost in our thoughts about the past or the future, we're actually able to engage with the world around us more fully. We're not just reacting to things, but responding to them thoughtfully. This can help us make better decisions, manage our emotions, and ultimately, reduce stress. And what's even more beautiful about mindfulness meditation is that it's accessible to everyone. It requires no special equipment or locations. You can practice it sitting in a park, on a bus, or even while washing dishes. It's a tool that's always available to us, helping us navigate through life's ups and downs with greater ease and resilience. Now that we have a basic understanding, we can now delve into its benefits for stress relief. Science has found a strong correlation between mindfulness meditation and stress relief. But how does this work, you ask? Well, let's dive into the science behind it to understand better. Mindfulness meditation is more than just a relaxation technique. It actively engages the mind, focusing attention and achieving a heightened state of awareness. This process triggers a series of physiological responses in our body. When we meditate, our brain waves shift, reducing beta waves, which are responsible for information processing, and increasing alpha waves, which are associated with relaxation and focus. Now let's talk about stress. When we're stressed, our body releases cortisol, a hormone that triggers our fight or flight response. This response, while useful in life-threatening situations, can be harmful when it becomes chronic. Consistently high levels of cortisol can lead to health issues like anxiety, depression, heart disease, and even a weakened immune system. Here's where mindfulness meditation comes to the rescue. Studies have shown that regular practice of mindfulness meditation can significantly reduce cortisol levels in our body, thereby lowering stress. But that's not all. Mindfulness meditation also has a beneficial effect on our immune system. It increases the activity of natural killer cells, a type of white blood cell that helps our body fight off viruses and cancerous cells. What about our mental health? Well, mindfulness meditation also has a positive impact on our brain. Regular practice slows down mental aging by increasing gray matter in the brain, which is associated with memory, emotions, and decision-making. The benefits of mindfulness meditation aren't just short-term. The more we practice, the more resilient we become to stress. And the best part, there's no wrong way to meditate. It's all about finding what works for you and being consistent with it. The science is clear. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for stress relief. The benefits of mindfulness meditation aren't limited to immediate stress relief. Just as a seed needs time to grow into a tree, the practice of mindfulness meditation needs consistent nurturing over time to fully blossom. It's the long-term benefits that truly illustrate the power of this ancient practice. Consider a life where you're more resilient to stress. Picture waking up each day, knowing you have the inner strength to face whatever comes your way. This isn't some far-off dream, it's a potential reality with regular meditation. Over time, consistent practice can help you build an inner fortress, a refuge that shields you from the storms of life. You become less reactive and more responsive. You're not tossed around by every gust of wind, but remain steady, grounded. But resilience isn't the only fruit you can harvest from the garden of meditation. Imagine experiencing a positive shift in your mood. You might notice that you're happier, more content, more at peace. You might find yourself smiling more, laughing more, living more. This isn't about denying or suppressing negative emotions, but rather about creating a space where joy, love, and peace can flourish. And what about those harmful habits that we sometimes cling to? Those unhealthy patterns of thought and behavior that we know aren't good for us, but somehow can't seem to shake off. Mindfulness meditation can help with that too. By fostering awareness, it allows you to recognize these habits, to understand them, and ultimately, to let them go. It's like spring cleaning for your mind. In this journey of self-discovery, you also connect with your inner strength. This isn't about becoming someone else, but about coming home to yourself. It's about recognizing the courage, the wisdom, the love that's already within you. And from this place of inner strength, you're not just surviving, but thriving. With consistent practice, mindfulness meditation can bring about significant changes in your life. So why not give it a try? Why not water the seed of mindfulness within you, and watch as it blossoms into a tree of peace, joy, and resilience? If you're ready to start, here's how you can incorporate mindfulness meditation into your daily routine. The first step is to find a quiet and comfortable space. It doesn't have to be a dedicated meditation room. It could be your living room, bedroom, or even a spot in your backyard. The key is to find somewhere you can sit peacefully for a few minutes each day. Next, set a specific time for your mindfulness meditation. It could be first thing in the morning to set a calm tone for the day, or in the evening to unwind before bed. The important thing is that it's a time when you can dedicate at least 5 to 10 minutes without interruption. Now let's talk about the actual process of meditating. Start by taking a few deep breaths, breathe in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then breathe out through your mouth. This helps to center your focus and signals to your body that it's time to relax. Once you're settled, simply observe your breath. Don't try to control it. Just notice the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. This is the essence of mindfulness, being fully present and engaged in the moment. It's natural for your mind to wander. Don't stress about it or try to force your thoughts away. Instead, acknowledge them and gently guide your focus back to your breath. This is a practice, not a perfection. Incorporating mindfulness meditation into your routine takes commitment. Aim for consistency rather than length. It's better to meditate for 5 minutes every day than 30 minutes once a week. Over time, you may find that you can sit for longer periods, but remember, it's not about duration, it's about the quality of your focus. Remember, there's no wrong way to meditate. It's okay for your mind to wander. There are some common misconceptions that can hinder your journey to mindfulness. Let's dive right in. First up, the idea that meditation is a religious practice. While it's true that meditation has roots in various religions, it's not exclusively tied to any particular faith. You don't need to follow a specific religion to meditate. It's a universal practice that anyone can adopt to improve their mental well-being. Next, the belief that you need to empty your mind. This is a widespread misunderstanding. The aim of meditation is not to eliminate all thoughts, but to observe them without judgment. It's about becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings, and learning how to let them pass without getting caught up in them. Another common myth is the notion that meditation requires a lot of time. In reality, even a few minutes of mindful meditation can be beneficial. Consistency is the key. It's more effective to have short daily sessions than infrequent, longer ones. Then there's the misconception that meditation is a way to escape reality. Quite the contrary. Meditation is about becoming more attuned to the present moment, to your feelings, thoughts, and the world around you. It's not about detaching from reality, but rather engaging with it more fully. Some people believe that they're just not good at meditating because their mind wanders. That's another myth. It's perfectly normal for your mind to wander during meditation. The practice is about noticing when your mind has wandered and gently guiding it back to the present moment. Lastly, some people think that if they don't feel a difference right away, then meditation isn't working for them. Remember, the benefits of meditation often come gradually over time. It's not an instant fix, but a long-term investment in your mental well-being. Understanding and debunking these misconceptions can help you make the most of your meditation practice. While the benefits are numerous, mindfulness meditation may not be suitable for everyone. It's important to remember that while meditation offers a broad spectrum of advantages, it isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Particularly for individuals grappling with trauma or serious mental health conditions, meditation may not always be the best fit. In some cases, introspective practices like mindfulness meditation can inadvertently bring to the surface distressing memories or emotions. Such experiences, while part of the healing process for some, may prove overwhelming for others, particularly without the guidance of a professional. Further, it's worth noting that while meditation can work wonders in managing stress, it's not a substitute for professional mental health care. If you're dealing with a serious mental health concern, it's crucial to seek help from a qualified professional who can provide the necessary treatment and support. In a nutshell, mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool, but it's not a panacea. It's important to approach it with a sense of curiosity, patience, and above all, self-compassion. Always consult with a mental health professional if you have any concerns. Mindfulness meditation has the potential to transform your life and help you manage stress better. As we've explored today, this simple practice can be a powerful tool in your stress management arsenal. It's not just about finding tranquility in the moment, it's about building resilience and fostering a positive mindset that can carry you through life's ups and downs. Remember, regular mindfulness meditation can lower stress levels, boost immune function, and slow mental aging. It can help you break free from harmful habits, connect with your inner strength, and reduce the tendency to ruminate over worries and fears. The beauty of it lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It doesn't require any special equipment or locations, just a few minutes of your day, every day. But let's not forget, consistency is key. Short, daily sessions are more effective than longer, less frequent ones. And remember, there's no wrong way to meditate. It's okay if your mind wanders. The goal is not to empty your mind, but to become aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. However, it's important to heed the word of caution we shared. While meditation has many benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those dealing with trauma or serious mental health conditions. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until then, enjoy your journey to mindfulness.